everyone, my name is Kirsten Barrett and I am a second grade teacher at Victoria Elementary School in the Eastern Carver County School District. Little fun fact, Christine Olson, who is in our class, she also teaches at Victoria Elementary School, so it's kind of fun to know someone. A little bit about me, I just finished my second year of teaching. Both years were in second grade, and I also student taught in second grade, so of course my heart is in second grade. I was hired my first year 3 days before school started, so I was thankful this year that I felt more planned for the beginning of the school year. Unfortunately, due to district budget cuts, I will be on the job hunt this summer, so that's what I'll be busy with, and of course doing my master's classes. Something more fun about me, I like to go fishing and go to my cabin. I have a boyfriend named Brock who is in the aviation program at the University of North Dakota, and that's where I graduated from as well. My philosophy on teaching, there's this quote from Kayla Delzer. She's a teacher in North Dakota, and she says, everyone's a teacher and everyone's a learner. So I really believe in that everyone should have a chance to be a teacher in the classroom and allowing the kids to have that chance to teach their classmates about who they are, whether it's about their culture and just telling them different highlights of their life, or letting them have a chance to share their proud moments in their education, I think is important. And that everyone's a learner, even I'm learning from my students. So I think it's important to acknowledge that. And I also believe that making the connections with students and the relationships is the most important thing. So that's my philosophy on education.